I'm talking about is the LGBT community. So this man right here, his name is Round Wit, and he went around and stole several LGBT flags. And rightfully so, they are charging him with theft, because technically that's what he did. He stole these flags. But the part that got me out of the whole thing was not only did they charge him with theft, what is it, 6 counts of petty larceny, so that means he stole 6 flags. But they're also going to classify this or charge him with a hate crime. And I'm saying to myself, saying, huh? So stealing a flag is now considered a hate crime when it's happening to them. But if you were to steal someone else's flag, that's just theft. That's all it is, and what it should be. Now, I read through the article, and it's a very short article. Nowhere in it did it say that he called them any kind of names. Nowhere did it say he went and randomly attacked a person who could have been gay. He didn't try to kill any one of them or kill anyone. He just stole the flags. The fact that they got it where he can be labeled as committing a hate crime blew my mind. That shows you right there how a very, 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 very small group of people in this establishment have that much power that they could label that a hate crime. Yet, down in Kentucky, when that fucker shot and killed 2 black people and was trying to shoot up a black church, they have to question and drag their ass to see if that was even labeled a hate crime. And then, if y'all saw the recent video I did, they're trying their best not to label it a hate crime because of some technicality saying that, oh, murder in the first degree or whatever it was called cannot be labeled as a hate crime or some kind of shooting, whatever it is they said. But they said that they're labeling this a hate crime, and this guy didn't even harm anyone. He just took some flags. But then again, when you're talking about the LGBT community, let it be known to the people who are black and gay, they're not including you in this. He most likely took these from white individuals. This is Long Island we're talking about here. So, yeah, it's just amazing how much more power and influence they have. You can pretty much partially thank the former president for that. Well, that's all I really wanted to bring to your attention, because like I said, the article was very short. I didn't even bother reading it because the article was probably no more than maybe 10 lines. That's how short it was. But I pretty much just gave you the gist of it. But the hate crime one, I don't know. The theft, definitely, because he did steal something that off of someone else's property. But to say that it was a hate crime and he didn't harm anyone and threaten anyone, that kind of just went over my head. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. The links will be in the description. I'll talk to you in the next one.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Yeah, hi, I'm calling from Fido.
Yeah, what's up?
Can I speak to Annie?
You're speaking.
This is Aniga?
Anigas.
Aniga?
Why can't anybody pronounce the E?
How are you this evening?
Hey, can you by any chance do me a favor and put on my account, pronounce the E in my name? Because I'm honestly getting sick and tired of people calling me Angus when there's an E, A-N-E-G-U-S.
Yeah, it's not a very common name, sir.
No, I get it. I understand, right? But when I read a name, I try to pronounce all the letters.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying. And everyone seems to skip by the E.
Okay. Well, I tried. I saw it. It's there, but it's just the pronunciation that we don't know.
There's an E in it. It's Annie, Gus. Like, even separated if you have to. Like, you know what I mean? Put Annie and then dash Gus. That way everyone can say Annie Gus.
Okay. All right, well...